my favorite mysteries of all. A classic mystery of magic, a little pocket trick using two hands and an ebony-handled pocket knife. Here's the mystery. You see, it goes through one hand with no change occurring. With the other hand, instantaneously it changes, just that fast. The fingers, the hands conceal nothing, just a white little pocket knife. Nothing there, but you see it changes as it goes through the next time. That went fast and it looks very magical. Does it change by the heat of the fingers? Well, I don't think so. Nothing like that, not even touching it. You see just a little twist and it changes from one color to another. I'll do that again for you. Thanks for asking. A twist once, twice, and thrice, and there is the change. I will endeavor to explain how this works. You see, it uses two knives. Not only does it use a black knife, but it uses, of course, a white one. This is the white-handled pocket knife, that's for sure. And in one of my pockets, I keep the ebony-handled pocket knife. I stand corrected, which explains the orthopedic shoes, doesn't it? You see, if this is the white one over here, then this must be the black one over there. Now we're on the straight and narrow. I'll explain. You see, I keep this one in my left hand, or is that my right hand? Well, who knows? This one comes out of the pocket, held secretly at the fingertips, hiding it like this. Now the hands approach each other. A switch is made, and as long as it's done smoothly and quickly, you don't even know that there's another knife in that hand. Of course, it would help if I keep my thumb over it like this. But if this is the white one, this must be the black one. No, that's the white one. This is the black one. It gets more amazing as we go. You know, I have to give you the honest truth. There is no black knife, just two white ones. These right here. Here, one more mystery for you. I give the white-handled knife a little squeeze. It disappears in an instant, travels over and into the pocket, just like that, bringing our mystery to its delightful and logical conclusion. The color-changing knives. I thank you.